Good morning, my name is Ramon Amparo and I am going to talking about concepts in petroleum engineering. Is the vertical distance between the point on the surface and the point in the bottom. The seabed, also known as oceanic relief, seafloor, underwater floor, is the bottom of the ocean. Riser. The drilling riser is the pipe that runs from the drilling rig to the preventer assembled under the seabed, which provides a conduit for operating the drilling string and other tools during drilling. It is also used to circulate drilling mud drilling into the wall. ROV stands for Remotely Operated Vehicle. ROVs are uncapped, highly maneuverable underwater machines that can be used to explore ocean depths while being operated by someone at the water surface. Submersible platforms are used for exploration at depth of less than 30 meters. They were the first offshore platforms and consist of barges that are submerged with ballast until they rest on the seabed. Perforation tower it is a device used to perform the ground, generally between 8,000 and 600 meters deep, for wells whether they are gas, water, or oil. The fixed set of pulleys located at the top of the derrick or mast, onto which the drilling line is steered. The complementary blocks of these pulleys are the traveling blocks. The top drive is expanding from the hook, so the rotary mechanism is free to travel up and down the derrick. Is a rigid metal conduit that provides the high pressure pathway for drilling mud to travel approximately on one-third of the way of the derrick, where it connects the flexible high-pressure hose heli-hose. Many large rigs are fitted with dual standpipes, so that downtime is kept to a minimum if one standpipe requires for fire. The total force pulling down on the hook. This total force includes the weight of the drill string in R, the drill collars, and any auxiliary equipment, reduced by any force that tends to reduce that weight. A measure of the tendency of a force called rotation equal to the force multiplied by the perpendicular distance between the line of action of the force and the center of rotation. The rate of penetration rod refers to the improvement or progression speed of the drill bit between the formation rock bricks. It is determined by evaluation the required amount of time to drill 1 foot of depth, and it is usually reported in fuel units or SI units. The average surface density is 125 grams per milliliter. being denser than fresh water and poor water. The kickoff point is the location in a vertical wellbore or inclined section of a slant wall where directional drilling operation commences in order to build the wellbore at the design orientation. The cup defines the beginning of the wheel curve. The back pressure valve is designed to contain pressure coming from below while allowing fluid to be pumped from above as may be required to control the valve. Real color DCS are heavy and stiff steel tubular, and they are used at the bottom of a VHA to provide weight and bead. Casing is run to protect fresh water formation, isolate lost circulation zones, or isolate formation with significantly different pressure gradients. Is a type of pipe used to facilitate the drilling of oil wells. Its function is to add torque to the bed at the same time that the sucas over it and transport the fluid of the duration. Arrastre or pull. It is a friction or resistance to pull the pipe out of the hole. Turning block: the set of shafts that ascend and descend in the tower. The cable ones of the shafts irradiate or draw the faced crown blocks located at the top of the tower. Elevator in the top drive. It is a tool for the hosting system developed with the objective of meeting the market demand for innovative devices for wellhead operations. PDC drill are effective for drilling shale formation, especially when used in combination with oil-based mods. Triconic drill: they are the curing structures located in the lower part of the drill string that allow drilling machines to demolish and crush sandy or rock formation in the drilling of their wells.